All right, overall consensus on the Costco snow shovel purchase is absolutely looking fantastic. 20 bucks. This thing is very, very nice, long handle on it. And what I do, especially if it's really fluffy and light like this, it's so easy just to literally push it like a snowplow because it is so light and fluffy. Now when it sticks together, you really kind of have to dig at it like an actual shovel. But for light and fluffiness, we're looking absolutely fantastic. Bria's digging it out here. Got the frisbee going. This is really beautiful when the lights are underneath the snow and it just lights it up like this. I mean, we're not too far away from Christmas, and that definitely looks like Christmas. You definitely don't get this in California. Now, I did shovel it. Now look at this. Let me turn off my headlamp for a second, looking in the window. Beautiful tree right there, as we can see. Then you go this direction, lights. Absolutely stunning. My front fountain right here, looking beautiful. I do have some solar lights on that little tree right there, as you can see off in the distance. And then more Christmas lights out that direction. Just quiet and stunning right now because there's no wind and it's 19 degrees, but it's not like chilly as long as you're like warmed up and have good mittens on. But the snow is falling again. Unfortunately, I literally just shoveled my entire drive and the snow is coming down again. Not too much, but as you can see, nice and fluffy and light. Look at Bria here covered in, she loves the snow right here. But as you can see, I literally just wiped this off, and this is how much snow literally has happened in the last 45 minutes. As you can see, let me push that over to the side. Watch out, Bria. And that much snow. So again, super light and fluffy here. Let me do that again. I don't know if you caught that or not, but that much snow in the last 45 minutes. Again, super fluffy and light. That's the kind of snow we like. Easy to dig out of, easy to drive through with four-wheel drive, of course. But I have not done anything with this all day. That's stacked up a good 3 inches or so right there on the railings. And again, Bria loves it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is a fantastic evening tonight. We are going to be packing up for a beautiful surf trip, but not exactly the kind of surf trip that you can imagine. Now, currently right now, we were having beautiful weather, but right now, as filming this, I just checked my weather station. It's 21 degrees outside. So we won't be needing like wetsuit gloves and like super like 6'4" wetsuits. We might need a 3-2, but we'll keep you updated on that one. So the reason why it's a really fun night tonight is because it is new fin night. And no, not these ones right here. These are Ho Stevie. These do very well. These are just your typical kind of like hard plastic, where these ones, I picked these up on Amazon and they weren't that badly priced. And they are honeycomb fiberglass reinforced fins that are really cool. So let's break this open, put them on the board, and I'll show you what they look like. Pretty stoked on this one. Alrighty, so here are the fins. They are looking absolutely beautiful. This is the 3-fin thruster. That's a mouthful. 3-fin thruster set. So you have your left, your middle, and then your right if you're looking at the back of the board here. Really awesomely priced too. Again, honeycomb, fiberglass reinforced, paid 40 bucks. And they also give you a thank you card with a QR code that says like save like 27%, 27.5% off your next purchase. You scan the code and then they'll probably give you like an Amazon promo code or something like that. All right, so we are flying American Airlines. American Airlines, if you did not know, American Airlines is one of the only airlines that I'm aware of currently where as long as you're under the dimensions and it's linear inches. So linear inches, you just go on a linear inch calculator online and it's really simple, especially with a linear inch calculator. You measure from the back of the board all the way to the front. If it's in the bag, you do that, and then you measure the width, and then you measure the height of the board bag. You type that in the linear inch calculator, and if it's under 115 inches linear, your board bag with surfboards, doesn't matter how many are in there, will fly for the regular checked bag fee. So if you have a ticket that includes a couple checked bags for free, guess what? You can substitute one of your checked in bags for your surfboard bag as long as it's under 115 linear inches. You longboarders that have super long board bags, pack stuff with stuff, you might have to pay that oversized fee, which gets a little pricey with one way. Now, the other airline, Southwest, that we were thinking about flying out of, they fly free, meaning that like Southwest, they give you 2 checked bags for free with every ticket, and you can substitute those checked bags for ski gear, snowboard gear, golf clubs, but not surfboards. Southwest wants $75 each direction within the US. There might be some like things like Hawaii, I think, inner island, they don't charge you or something like that, but it also has to be under a certain linear inches as well. So hopefully Southwest will change their policy and include water sports things like surfboard bags, because they do include snowboard gear, like I just said, and golf clubs as a checked bag switcheroo, but not a surfboard bag. So we're flying American Airlines. I have a lot of miles with them. It's been a while since I've flown with them, but they're a great airline, and I'll keep you updated on that one. So with regards to that, you cannot fly with your fins on your board. And if you are wondering, when I talked to the representative, he actually said that the bag would be $40 each direction. That's in with the continental US. But when I checked in over the app, it actually only charged me $35 each direction. But if you do it at the airport, he said it's going to be $45. So you'll save some dollars if you check in with your app or online, adding a bag. I couldn't do it when I first bought my ticket. You have to add your bag within like 24 hours of your flight or something like that. So just a little heads up on that one. So now, because these aren't fiberglass boards, I'm not too terribly concerned with it. This is just a day bag by Ocean Board. It's actually a really good day bag, great price. I'll link it in the description box below. This particular board bag is a 5.6, and then I have a 5.0 below it because I have 2 Softechs. One is a 5.0, and that's my EG board. It's always linked in the description box below. And then on top is a 5.3 Softech. I forgot who the pro model of that one is. But with the fins off, I can stack both Softech boards, which are hybrid boards. So they're not like a boogie board. It's like a hybrid board where it's like, it's soft. The rails are soft. It's not fiberglass. I'm not too terribly concerned with it. I am going to pack it with a little bit more, maybe some bubble wrap on the nose. But we river surf with these, and I beat mine up already pretty good. So I'm not too concerned with the hybrid soft top boards. If they were fiberglass, I would have invested in a really nice travel board, packed it, really nicely with cardboard, pool toys to protect the edges. You guys have seen those videos already. Unfortunately, I can't put one in this and then the other one in this. It's like, this is like perfect. 2 boards on top of each other, slipped in, and then I'll have room in the edges for my leashes, my brand new fins, a couple other sets of fins, etc. And then I do have room at the very end to pile in my 3-2 wetsuit, because Goodsurf down in Dallas, their water is really warm, but they're going through a chilly spell right now. Obviously warmer than 21 degrees right now, but I will need to put my wetsuit in there, and I should have room for a couple wetsuits, and even I need to bring a few little supplements. So I might put them right here that I don't want TSA taking from me. So let's finish packing this thing. I am stoked. Already got a workout in. There's my weights right there. And if you're looking at that, that is a dumpster diving fine picture of a moon, because we're going to the moon, baby. We're in a bull market. We're going to the moon, in Jesus' name. All right, I need to get it packing. Alrighty, still packing a little bit, but we're going to enjoy this beautiful dinner here. We got spaghetti squash, organic zucchini, organic regular squash, organic Japanese purple potatoes, and grass-fed sirloin steak ready to eat from Costco right there. We're going to go ahead and put that in the air fryer for about 5 minutes. We're on the medium shelf right here. So I don't use my microwave anymore if you haven't tuned into that vlog. We're going to knock that down for 55 minutes, medium shelf, turn it on. And I like it a lot better than a microwave, to be honest with you. It takes double the amount of time, but guess what? I guess we better do some more research, but air frying, I think, puts off a lot less weird stuff into the air and the atmosphere in your food. Alrighty, welcome to Goodsurf Wave, Dallas, Texas. We're gonna get some more footage, of course. Just closed down, we had an epic session, but again, we will definitely be back tomorrow, and I'll show you this place in full entirety. Well, it's one of those vibes tonight after Goodsurf, and again, it was absolutely epic. We'll show you the Airbnb as well, but we're doing a little shopping right now. Store is empty. Not empty, but I'm drinking a little tea. Unfortunately, we don't have a car down here, so we actually had to take an Uber, but it only cost $6.50. A very nice gentleman, a believer, and it was very nice talking with him. So we're gonna be just cruising down. We're in Kroger right now, and we'll tell you all about the place, Goodsurf. We're gonna show you Goodsurf, of course. Show you our Airbnb. We surf skated to the place. It's not too far away. Let's get a ripping.